It's time for misinformation. Misinformation. Misinformation.
Hi, Dr. Truth. You know all those crazy theories going around?
Oh no, little misinformation. You're not watching Fox News again, are you?
No, but I heard somewhere that there's a lot of people that think the Earth is flat. That seems like it might be true. It feels flat.
Think about an ant walking on a basketball. The sphere would appear flat to the ant as well.
They say it's a disk with a 150-foot tall wall of ice around the rim.
But little misinformation, from high altitudes or from space, the true shape of the Earth can easily be seen. Its dimensions can be measured, its radius can be calculated, and if you travel far enough away from Earth, you can observe an entire hemisphere at once. There are many simple observations you can make that wouldn't occur if the Earth were flat. For example, a lunar eclipse couldn't occur at midnight, or different locations on Earth experience seasons at different times. Different stars are visible from different latitudes. If the Earth were flat, everyone on the night side of the Earth would see the same sky. Sunsets and sunrises happen at different times depending on your longitude. If the Earth were flat, these phenomena would be very, very different.
I didn't think of that. They also say that Earth's gravity is an illusion.
A little misinformation. You know that it doesn't matter what you're traveling in, you don't fall off the edge of the planet. Why, if you look out the window on a transatlantic flight, you can, most of the times, see the curvature of the Earth on the horizon. There's lots and lots of examples I can give you, little misinformation, but why don't we start with going back and reviewing our basic shapes of nature? Just think of me as the shape to make it stick.
Well, I know the sphere, and that it's the strongest and the most easily made. It's not right when I flatten it. But there's a new trick that needs practice. So first is the sphere.
Let's look at some spheres in nature, okay? Planetary bodies, dewdrops, berries, flowers, bubbles, fat animals.
Fat animals. Oh,
Imagine me as each one of the shapes so you'll remember them.
I'll remember sphere. I remember meander, too. Oh, snakes and rivers are very good examples of meandering. And next I'll see you as a branch.
Yes, there's so many different types of branching systems. Just look at veins and inside leaves.
Or are you going to be a polygon? Oh, very good. You're going to be like a honeycomb for a bee. Nature is just magically beautiful.
It really is.
And I won't forget the spiral and the double helix, because they're my favorite.
I know you like the math of it. That Fibonacci sequence is so cool. Take a moment now to learn it. See how many things you can find that use the Fibonacci sequence. I bet you can find a lot. And then try drawing them yourself. Use your math. Let's have the snakes review some of the basic shapes of nature. a circle, spiral, a branch, and our last two will make the double helix, and they have a special message for Brooks and Finn.
Hello, Finn. Hello, Brooks. How are you guys? Stay cool.
Wave goodbye to your fans, little misinformation, and let's remind them that Scientist Sam is here to answer their questions on Saturday. Please write in your questions for Scientist Sam or for me, Dr. Truth, and we'll be happy to keep you informed. Remember to read and to think. Seek the truth. Do not watch Fox. And remember what the deputy says. Ride safely.
Bye.
Until next Wednesday.